Student fights, truancy, and cases of violence. They seem to be trending in the wrong direction, according to a local judge, especially at our local middle schools. Tonight, that judge says the solution might just be to start holding parents accountable in court. Bill Churchwell is here with details. Good evening, Bill.
Good evening. Tonight I spoke with Justice of the Peace Joe Benavides, who deals with these types of cases, and he says that he has never seen so many of them end up in his court. It's a disturbing trend. Local officials are seeing an increase of student fights in our schools, and videos of those altercations are ending up online. The latest involving students at both Hamlin Middle School and Grant Middle School. We have blurred that video.
This is it. This is what we're looking at. Stacks and stacks of cases, charges on the fighting in school.
Justice of the Peace Joe Benavides says many of those videos are entered as evidence on cases that end up on his desk, and they are happening at a rate he has never seen before, especially at the middle school level.
Caffey, Hamlin, Grant, Cunningham, South Park. As of now, we have 81 charges of disorderly conduct, majority female students.
He believes social media is a big part of that reason.
My message to the parents and the students is I'm not going to tolerate this. They're coming to court and they're going to suffer the consequences.
Those consequences can include community service and fines up to $500. For older students, they can even face restrictions on trying to get their driver's license. But he says that is not enough to curb the problem.
The bottom line is the parents are accountable to their children.
The judge, who works with Corpus Christi, Cowallan, Tolosa Midway, and West Oso school districts, doesn't believe bullying and fighting is the answer to what kids are going through. He talks to students about it through a program called Cloud of Turbulence.
Sad thing about it is when you start seeing bullying and fighting, that keeps the kids away from the school. Then we have truancy.
But he says parents' accountability needs to be taken more seriously. He's now looking at ways to take action against the parents of the students too.
I'm going to get advice from the district attorney. Now you're going to see probably parents suing parents at a higher court for assault.
He encourages folks to talk with their children because when the problem ends up in his court,
I do as much as I can to inform the parents and the students at the local campus that it's not going to be tolerated.
Bill Churchwell, 3 News.